Oh, just having a little bit of fun at the expense of the American, huh? Okay, I see you guys. Since I can't trust you to give me good food combos, I gotta go buy some real food, some good food I'm used to. Here we are, my store. I know what I'm gonna have. This right here. Let me grab some of these too. And I got some seasoning from America. Tony Shasheri's famous Creole seasoning. I'm gonna throw in some of this here too. And you know what? I'm gonna add some of this in there too because, whoo, tahini for the win. Yum, look at that. It's supposed to be in another pan, a little bit bigger than that one, but that's the only frying pan I have, so I gotta do it in here. And because I work in a restaurant, this is my dishes right here. Gonna wash it down with an Eastburn Lita. Bon appetit.